Foundation Apprentice of the Year, Sean Williams. 27-year-old Sean Williams from St Asaph has grabbed his second chance with both hands and turned his life around to set the foundations for a career to support his family. Following Sean's release from prison, Thorncliffe Abergele gave him a chance, and he's now a supervisor at the waste recycling business, where he's achieved a foundation apprenticeship in sustainable resource management. He's working towards an apprenticeship with learning provider Cambrian Training Company and hopes to progress to a higher apprenticeship. Dylan Jones. Dylan Jones's decision to follow the apprenticeship route to a career as a wind turbine technician is paying dividends, as he was appointed an ambassador for his employer. The 20-year-old apprentice from Glantoyman near Machynlleth, who works for RWE Energy UK in Llanidloes, has attended Coleg Llandrillo Menai Rosonsea, where he's excelled. He's achieved a foundation apprenticeship in performing engineering operations and a BTEC subsidiary diploma in engineering with a distinction. He now plans to progress to an apprenticeship in wind turbine operations maintenance. Lloyd Price. Lloyd Price's ambition is to become the first apprentice to secure a team leader post at EE, and he's going about it in the right way. He opted for a foundation apprenticeship in contact centre operations with EE instead of going to university, so that he could earn while he learned, and completed the qualification in November 2014 with support from the College Merthyr Tydfil. He's already introduced a successful customer loyalty initiative, which has been rolled out by the company, and is the only apprentice ever to have been appointed to the company's self-managed team.